Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to complete your ID verification on Pocket Option. This is a required step if you want to trade without restrictions, withdraw funds, or fully unlock your account's features. The process is straightforward, but you'll want to follow these steps carefully so your verification gets approved quickly. First, log into your Pocket Option account and head over to your profile section. Here, make sure that all your personal and address details are filled in correctly under the identity and address sections. This means your full legal name, date of birth, and current residential address should match exactly with the documents you're going to submit. Even a small typo can cause delays, so double check everything before moving on. Next, you'll need to upload a valid identity document. Pocket Option accepts a passport, a local ID card both sides, or a driver's license asterisk. Once your documents are ready, upload them through the verification section. After you've submitted them, you'll receive an email confirmation, letting you know that your documents have been received. Now comes the review process. Most of the time, this takes less than 1 business day. However, if the support team is dealing with a high number of requests, it might take a bit longer. So don't panic if you don't hear back right away. You can check the status of your verification anytime in your profile section. If you notice any issues like a misspelling in your name or a rejected document, just contact Pocket Options support team and they'll help you fix it. And that's it. Once your ID verification is approved, you'll have full access to your account and can trade or withdraw without limits. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick and easy trading guides and let me know in the comments if you had a smooth experience with Pocket Option verification.